BPS Family Assistance Fund supports BPS families who are struggling to meet basic needs. Most often, these families do not qualify for existing community supports or have not yet been approved and need immediate assistance. In addition to things like rent and utility assistance, this fund also provides for basic essentials such as hygiene items, household cleaning items, pantry items, and basic clothing needs. The BPS Family Assistance Fund alleviates the BPS school's need to fundraise for these efforts on an individual school basis. In addition to being a centralized resource for our schools, the distribution of items is facilitated through the BPS Student Services program, providing authentic work experiences for our BPS students.
Hi, I'm Harley Engelman, the current president of the Bismarck Public Schools Foundation. On behalf of our board of directors, I'd like to extend our sincere thanks and appreciation for your past support. With Giving Hearts Day upon us, I'd like to reach out for your generosity one more time to support our Family Assistance Fund. This fund goes to help families in need within the district. To learn more about the Family Assistance Fund or other scholarship opportunities provided for by the Foundation, I would encourage you to visit the Foundation website. Again, we offer our sincere thanks and best wishes.